we'll guide you through how to add moving fog in Blender. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, tap Blender to open it on your desktop and wait for the interface to load. Press Ctrl and O to open a file browser. Locate the file you want to use, select it, and open it. Next, press Shift and A, move to the Mesh menu, and choose Cube to add a cube to the scene. Resize the cube until it matches the size you want. With the cube still selected, go to the shading workspace at the top and switch the viewport to rendered view. Press the plus sign to create a new shader. Then press Shift and A, choose Search, type Principled Volume, and add it. Repeat the same process to add a color ramp, noise texture, mapping node, texture coordinate node, gradient texture, and mix color node. Connect the texture coordinate output to the mapping vector input. Then set the Y rotation value in the mapping node to -90 degrees. Connect the mapping vector output to the vector inputs of both the noise texture and gradient texture nodes. Connect the factor outputs from those nodes to inputs A and B on the mix color node. After that, connect the mix color result to the factor input of the color ramp. Connect the color ramp color output to the emission strength input, and connect the volume output of the principled volume node to the volume input of the material output node. Set the density value on the principled volume node to 0. Next, adjust the colors on the color ramp. You can also change the emission color on the principled volume node. When everything is set up, go above the node panel and create another panel. Click the panel type button and change it to a timeline panel. Then place your cursor over the location value in the mapping node and press I to insert a keyframe. Move to another frame, change the mapping location value, and press I again to add a second keyframe. Finally, review the animation using the controls at the top and confirm that the fog effect animates smoothly across the timeline properly.